All right, guys, welcome back to part 3, the final part of the product research in 2019 video. So what we've done, if you missed part 1 and 2, go ahead and go back there and watch those first. Make a lot more sense, or else you're kind of going to be lost here. From beginning to end, we're kind of documenting the process of how I would find product ideas, run them through the funnel. If you don't know what the funnel is, go watch part 2. And then finally, we land with a potential product list. And now we just have to think about differentiations and go try and source these products. So cold brew coffee bags was pretty good. We figured out there was about, if you recall, there was about 15 listings. This one, there was very few. Again, there was like 4 listings that were doing well. An acrylic shelf, again, there was like, in total, like 10. These are all super low competition. What we really want to see is that there's under 50 listings for your product idea. Like I said, go back and watch if you haven't already. If you know, you just have to count through once you find a product idea. And then you kind of make this small product list here. So what we're going to do is we're actually going to head over to Alibaba and we're just going to search these exact things in there and see what we get. Again, this is still a part of product research. We're not really sourcing yet because we're not ordering anything. We're just kind of researching what we could get. That's a nut milk bag. Okay, a hemp cold brew filter bag. Why would ours be better is the question that I'm asking. So my idea was coffee bags in a mason jar. Very simple. Something like this. Right, let's check this out because we don't necessarily want that one, but maybe if they had the coffee bags, that'd be more relevant. This looks really good. Cool, so let's go to their company profile. You just click on their name right there. Then we'll go to coffee bags or something. You go to product categories over here actually and go coffee, tea, and water. Let's just search coffee. Not seeing it yet. Okay, let's just coffee bags. Why not? If they have them, they have them. Coffee bag. Okay, that is not the correct thing. We're looking for a cold brew coffee bag. They do have some very cool coffee makers though. This is a really cool drip coffee maker. I like that. But that's not what we're looking for now, is it? We very simply want, oh, you know what? We could do a coffee grinder, the bags in a mason jar. That's the bundle that would sell and will price higher. As far as differentiations, that's what we're gonna write. Even if you could just get 2 of these, bags and jar or bags and grinder would also be good. This is like the ultimate bundle. Coffee, cold brew coffee bags. I like to just make it a little pretty. Possible differentiation, coffee grinder, bags, and jar. That's exactly how I'm gonna do it. Now, I'm not gonna spend the whole video trying to find those things. But what you saw me do is we head over to Alibaba, we search for the product at its broadest level, cold brew coffee bags. We find a supplier who has a relevant product. So write natural hemp cold brew coffee filter bag. And then what we do is we go to their profile on Alibaba and then we try and see if we could bundle other things with it. And then why don't we go back to Amazon and really quickly just see if maybe just the fact that they're natural hemp filters would be enough to sell them. So we'll search cold brew coffee bag and what is this one made out of? So I know this was one of the best ones here. We'll just check it out. So this is organic cotton. So we might even be able to just come in and sell organic hemp cold brew coffee bag. How many are they selling? They're just selling 1 for $12.95. Oh man, they've got to be killing it. Are you kidding me? Let me just run this really quick. So how many are they selling? They're selling 359 a month. So this is a little off. It's a free tool. I don't blame them. $12.95. Their product cost, if we go over here, oh my God, 25 cents. And let's say per unit it costs 75. Say it costs $1 to sell it. They are turning $1 into $8 in profit. I thought they were going to be selling more than that. That's very exciting. They have a good listing, very cute listing, very good little brand here. I think we could do a very similar thing. Why don't we sell a 3-pack branded with hemp? Beautiful. I love that idea. That's a great idea. You could even look further, like I said, and try and find the grinder to include with it, right? Very cool. I love it. I love it. I love it. Now let's go analyze the other ones. So I'm excited about that one already. Electric box extender. So we'll come back to Alibaba. We'll go electric. What was it? An electric what? It was kind of like that. And again, I'm instantly almost just discouraged by that one, because I don't know how to make that better, and there wasn't that big of a market. So right off the bat, I'm actually going to take that one out. I don't even like that one. But I did like the acrylic corner shelf. Let's check it out. Those are good. I like those. Let's go in right here. This was pretty relevant. Seems like they have acrylic products. Let's check them out. $240 per piece. That's a 3-tier. What we could even do is just go right to their company profile. And you guys kind of know how this works. So we're going to go company profile, and then we're going to actually just go product categories, acrylic. Where is their search button? Okay. Corner shelf. I think this is very similar to the one that our competitor was selling right here. Very similar. Very, very similar. Comes with the screws. Okay, let's check that out really quick. And then you can see my enthusiasm toward, so that's super, super similar. You can see my enthusiasm towards this one already. I got excited because I was on a roll with the differentiation. I liked it. The market was small. I think there's room to grow there, and you could probably grow a brand based around coffee products. Go into mugs, reheatable mugs, presses, this, that, and another thing. The acrylic corner shelf, you could also build a very good brand around acrylic products. So these are things that have potential. I don't know how to differentiate the acrylic corner shelf just yet. So this is already on their site. We found this one. So what you can do, and now here's something you can do, and the reason I'm bringing this up is because, where did it go? We didn't. Hang on, I can't think and type at the same time, man. So we're gonna go in here and we're gonna go into the reviews. Oh, what do they got? They got different differentiations. Okay, so they got a lot of different. So that's part of the thing. We don't know that it's necessarily the corner one that's selling well. They have a lot of differentiations. So with that, we're kind of limiting what we want to go with. But what I would do is I'd come in here and I'd read like the 3 and the 2-star reviews. So who left 2 stars? They're not 15 inches. They are smaller. They are not clear. They look like a clear yellow. It's okay, just smaller than I expected. Very fancy looking. They gave it a great review with love and a smiley face, but gave it 3 stars. How annoying is that? 1 star. Someone was mad. Cracked easily. Not sturdy enough. Dirty and scratched. Okay. Edges were not straight. Poorly constructed. All right. So, doesn't give us too much information about how to make it better. We could try this one, but I'm more excited about the coffee bags. So that's realistically what ends up, and you could do like the black version, black acrylic, but the whole point of acrylic is that it's clear. So you'll figure out once you get through the process of elimination of differentiating factors. For this one, sturdier, bigger. So if you could meet those needs, either one of these would be viable. Feel free to take either of these. These are open to the public. The whole point of this little mini series was just to show you how I'm thinking about product research this year. As I mentioned in part 1, I found a product just today. Now for you, this was 3 days. For me, this was all 1 day, just so I could stay on track. I had momentum and they all kind of fit together correctly. But I just found a product this morning. It's not one of these, so don't get too excited. But I'm very excited about it, and it was just as exciting, if not more exciting, than when I found this. So I was looking, I was like, oh my God, why are people not selling these together? This is perfect. Make a long story short, going to be ordering a test order, maybe 150, 200 units. I like doing the small orders. That just takes away a lot of the startup anxiety for me. Is like, it just makes me do it. If I could think about ordering things with 100 units, I'll know how well it sells, same as if I had ordered a lot. So that's going to do it for this series, guys. If you haven't already, please like or dislike it if you didn't like it for some reason, if you're crazy. I'm just kidding. Totally not that guy. But yeah, be sure to interact with me. I love hearing from you guys. Subscribe if you haven't already. And if you guys want to, learn how to do Amazon FBA from the beginning to end, like I said, if you missed it in one of the other ones, you could join my course. It's pay what you want or pay what you can afford. Some people call it other things, but you could get in there for as low as $5. It's the same material that all these guys are offering for hundreds of dollars. I just know everyone can't do that. So throw me whatever you can, whatever you can slide, and you could take the course. It's the first link in the description. Other than that, guys, I had a blast doing this little mini series. Let me know if you'd like me to do this kind of thing again. Other than that, I'll see you guys in the next video.